Good evening, Actually, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. I'm Jackline Ikang of Caught, man again show to our mama one Chaka Leb Acholi. And man segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. It's been a couple of weeks since I recorded. I wasn't feeling too good, but here I am. Last time I gave Kwan a book Saturnino Onyala. Look me Kwan Choli me South Sudan. Uh, Kid Malu, they work it for Kera Chulu, they work migrate throughout Sudan, Uganda, um, Kenya, Tanzania, Nigeria, other places, Chad, Kenya, and Malu, they work it for Kera. Yeah, I mean, finding out culture to be better, evolve, will change, will continue. As Jolo, Jolly come into contact with Jomo Kene, Mano, it here, so the Joe do me a dig one bit of one and no church a bit of discussing look more for a chulgi cum jolo mogonyo jo dan all of mokana. Last session a bit of kakwano twitch pacholi lep nying chikwaro we giruga gideo agi kenyo. No mira chak look me dwa. Community page 41, we book Saturnino Onyala. And today I made a channel in Kenya. Now, hopefully, you guys will also comment. Kumira Merigima, look, La Jojo Kanye. Please comment. And I'm in a bit of learning platform. Anati Apwoyo and your comments been Kanya. I can learn from that too as well. Okay. Okay. So, look, me do a joining up. Actually, give we dwa maparapat. Chala dwa mach, dwa apet, dwa abo, dwa anyeri. Dano omaro dwa gitong ento tie dano mokene mamaro dwa gi atum. Gi ate. Lodiro actually wajani dwa atum puri obino chok chok gi ikindano mi actually. Dwa gi atum tien mapol I loba chuli wanongo ni lotina wuba ye ma dwaro kwede I kar mi dwaro anyeri. Ento tie lotina mukene bene gin chiro ka dwa gi atum I dwa mach. Lotina mau chiro ka dwa gi atum I dwa mach gin naga jui dong angech wek nakajui dong angech wek yamo pe okel atero I kom dano. Chitien mapol dano mi achuli omaro chiro I dwa mach. Gitong pien le ma dongo chalo liech gi jubi duom I dwa mach kachiel. Gi atunya gi kwach. Gichel, waneno dano mukene bene chiro I dwa mach gi lodugu. I don't know if I read this already. I don't know if I finished. Well, I'm just gonna keep going. Mach gi lodugu gi atunya gi kwach. Okay. Gichel waneno dano mukene bene chiro I dwa mach gi lodugu pien chik pa gamente pe miro ni dano bet gi lodugu. Okay, it was against the law to have a gun back in the days. Or even to go hunting. Get here no preserved in the livestock and stuff like that. Okay. Pagimina dano big lodugu or lodugu ikin gangi. Piman kala tin Acholi ma tie gi ludugu en nakajui kana ludugu ne akana. Kaki gum marach en ochiri dwach chi onongo lamon mere kuno. Lamon ne man chut tuk ki dorone bot police chi gin kwanyo ludugu man wako gi bot ka en donyo. Kwanyo wako gi bore ka en donyo I buch pi mwaka achiel nyo makaro. Co Acholi mukene omar look me, I don't know this word, aduch, look me aduch, totwa ma inongone inina midwa gin rugu gi aduch. I don't know what that word is. ADUGE, aduch. Can you guys comment? Do you know what that means? What is that? Kichaka hunting. You use aduch, aduge, adugi, aduk. Okay, giruga aduk a badge. It's something you wear on your arms. So if you guys know what it is, please comment. Thanks. Katie dano mukene kono maro kajo aduk ikom tira mibila. Dano mi Acholi tie gi ye matut ni aduge kelo bori le ento dano mukene mapegi aduch gin maro kiro itgi ikoko pa winyo kalo olik magin winyo koko pa olik giwo. Ikara madano tie kachaka iwang o. Koko pa olik achiel tie gi tien bot lotin Acholi. Cho twero koko pa olik makelo gum. Gi koko pa olik makelo ta idwa. Wow, okay. Ento koko winyo mar luak mi Acholi pe miro winyo. Ne eni obedo otetel pien luak wachoni otetel obedo winyo ma latal. No, obedo winyo ma latal. Otetel ka okok inyim dano odiro wachoni le tin rumu dano. Ka waneno maber wanungo ni koko pa otetel ma imwaka manyien opoke wako gi kom koko pa otetel ma imwaka machon. Kar ma abedo ka kwano buk ka la church achiel manyinge Mr. TEN Grove. Eno cho lok ikom koko pa otetel ni otetel winyo maber both jo Acholi. No, otetel winyo maber both jo Acholi machon. Inina midwa kai winyo otetel okok iching tung lacham chi dano nego le ma dako ka kono okok iching tung achwich. Dano nego le malacho. Dano nego le ma dako ka kono koko achwiny agana itung mi agana achwich inego lacho. Le malachon. What do you guys think? Is there any truth to that? Pingotam pa chuli manyin ikom otetel opoke wako gikom tam pa jo chuli machon. La piny mano no ni te tie la dit chuli mo ma twero gamone. Okay. I'm going into the next section. I'm going to complete Don't Look Me Dwa. So what do you guys think about Dwa? Otetel used to tell us whether or not kichara hunting in the hole madwom will kono le rumu ne ho naka. Nyo ko kokyo tu achel in kono ne ho le matiro mon ko kokyo tu morning tweet no ne ho le matiro cho wala la cho. So what do you guys think? Do you think there's any truth to what they're discussing? What customs, what traditions, hunting traditions do you remember or do you recall Gewang O wele my family baby, well the parents baby be watch, well the grandparents baby be watch that you can share. Leave a comment please. Okay, mana te chiri section manyin. Lulunga gero gikam. Ochoni chon gichon dana mi chuli mar gero gang. Megi idula chill. Ginpe gero tata kid ma chuli manyin. Tie kagero. Kere imohaman. Okay. Ikarmachon dano gero gangi megi we kakagi kaka matien loke ni dano mi kaka chiel gin gero iwi chere nyo got a chiel got me joaya like I kwano before got mo lwani got a gu joaya kuja ano gori na duong lakin obichoni got a good team, you are a job. Come out, your subclan your team. Subclan your team, me, you are a tea, and got a good tea, kuya. Yalla, what you need, Joe Jogga Jocko, Pino, kuya. What do you guys think? So, Dano, Mag tea, Kaha, you might get up to be a chill, going to be a chill back in the days. But now, Dano get a tar base. Like it's a job, you don't know a tar base, gonna best. Ngamo pay my kono, gonna. When you can take care of very individual ngama from a different subclan. It doesn't matter anymore. Except for sometimes kitchen or certain places, put it middle only family members. They're like lady. I think only in lady. I think only Jopatanga not to get down to it because Lamuni belongs to Jopatanga or something like that. What do you guys think? Is it possible? Is it lady or Labona somewhere? Um, anyways, share your experiences and what you know about Kimayang Wagera Gangi and then Kidma Wagera Gangi team. Do we stay together as a subclan or Warube Kinika jail between clans and subclans or between tribes? Okay. Okay. Oh, Kanya. Ikarma chon dano bene rumu gangi megi gi yadi madong wepe lomon nyo lokwa odon budgi. Kid madano rumu gangi megi gi yadi madong. Inongo ni din weko dok ot achiel kiken mi karo dok tien mapol dok ot ma kelo megi bedo inge nitel nyo gang. I don't know what that means. And kai bedo ka wood ikina chuli machon. Inongo ni tie dana mukene magin maro weko dok ot ario. Dok ot achiel bedo mi donyo padano ka dok ot achiel bedo mi lui I kara ma nongo muony nyo lomon otoro gang. Okay, so some people build art with just an entrance point mi donyo ot. Jamo gi ger ot ki dogola rio or dok ot rio where enter, yala, kamoti me to exit in case there's an emergency. Okay, practice it, teach on, and I'm sure take it, teach what you could say practice teach. It can allow me truly just in general. Mm. Actually, manien pegero I dula chill kid my young dano machon gero gin bene perum gongi megi giya madongo pien I Muhammad mun achonya dong pere. So I found that mun achonya is the uh, it was the time, a primitive time. I don't know if I'm correct here. Mun achonya, what mun is that? Do they mean primitive time? When they say mun achonya, the period of achonya, what does that mean? Please drop a comment. Imwakaman Latina chuli twerger ot mere ingomo kiken ma yamo ma yomo chunye. Ento ngoman chik mirani miro bed ikin kaka nyo choki ka ma kaka kwaye. Gin ma pire tek to 12 bot Latino achuli ka ng'at achiel miro gero ot en neno ni ng'om apura tye ma oromo kenyo. Latino achuli naka jwi piro chom machalo locheri, layara, labolo, manga, paipai, obaro gi guana. Iteng gang dok chom megi tien mapol dara pe charo. Okay, so that means they're growing food mi cham lakin mi cham mag charo ko dan mi grow cham to the iteng out to the. Okay, cham machalo megi ka dano obino igang twer kwanya ne labong penyo won gang. People can just come to your yard kwanya cham without asking permission. What do you guys think? Okay. What is the time now? Let me see how much more I can read. I don't think I can read that much more. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna read one more section. Section that for joining on or to Palotino. Okay. Joining. Economy oro Latina nyira gia wobe. Matie imwaha a beach nyo kwere apa. Gin gero or tugumegi edi liek matie chien manogi pajo. Dan mukene neno ni man obedo kin tugo Palotino ento ka waneno mot wanongo ni man obedo puonj kit mi gwoko gang. Kaki bot Latino anyira man opuonjo gin kit mi tedo kuon. Nyabo kongo kwere. Yobo di ot kachiel gi winyo puonj palacho. Excuse me. So anyira they learn how to tedo but chwage kimi mieno kuon kimi clean or kimi keep or to the kachiel. Yala kimi winyo puonj gi but chwage as the head of the house. What do you guys think? Leave your comment. Leb Acholi lacho ena ye achwe ot dok dok lok migang duchu daga winyo gibore. So the women listen and the man lead. Okay. Latina nakajwi kwalo mogo kwon ringo kado mile gi mogo kongo gi pajo. Lodira choli wajoni otugu peo bedo mi puonyo gwoko gang keken. Ento man obene aye kare ma lotino puonyo kwere kit ma lacho gi dako rare kwere. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Lotino nyang maber ni pacho nyogang nakajwi tie lacho dako gi lotino. Piman dong inyim gero ot tugo latin lacho yero dako mere ki kin lotino anyira matie idi liek kenyo. Latin awobi ka otieko yero dako mere en dong miyo twero bot dako mi yero lotino aryo nyo adek wek obed lotino megi dok chik mira ni lotino megi myero obed I kin mwaka adek ki abich. Lotino gero ot tugu ka gi poke I dog ot tugu megi. Gin gi myero pe bed chok ki twero ka twero I kin ot achiel myero obed mira abich nyo mira apar. I kare mi tugu lotino ng'eyo cawa mi ot iporo, cawa mi miel gi cawa mi buru piny. Ada ka cawa mi buru piny oromo, dano ducu donjo I ot ka gin ciko dok udi gi pot oboke. Gi pot oboke. Okay. Gin ciko dok udi gi pot oboke. Lotino choli nakajwi gin kero I kin lotino aryo nyo adek obed tong gweno. Lotino megi ka gin oneno piny chok ru, gin dong kok ma kun gin poro kwede koko pa tong gweno ni kukuluru kuk. Kukuluru. Okay, that's enough of that. Tong gweno nakajwi kok tien adek ka piny ru. I kin kok achiel tero dakika abich. Piman Latino megi bene gin kok tien adek ka dano ma tie kanino ducu chul woko. Ng'at achiel timo tich. Mon yweyo di kal, cho kwanyo tong, kweri gi kodi mi wot I poro. Kweri ma waloko pire kany ni peo bedo kom kweri gi kom ento twero bedo yat akara nyo odo ma giloko odoko kweri kimi aryo kori ma lotino awobi chiro. Okay, lotino awobi chiro ka konye I poro bene peo bedo kori ki kome. Tien mapo gin choyo kweyo doko kori. inge yeyo what inge inge yueyo dikal mon tedo kwon kagin lubu kwede jui choi poro man bene yu achiel mineno kweri padaho Acholi wacho ni kwon miero iporo ikin chawa iporo ikin chawa apa wiye ariyo micheng that's at noon lunchtime they chum iporo to your husband go chori daga kero kwon teyat ma otieko pur ne ichawo man bene nongo kero pe no nongo kero pala chodong chok tum en bene pe gale chut chut chiro luoko chinge bero piny ka ng'wenyo kwon pong chinge churu idoge ma en nyamo ni nywak 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 actually cho book is almost like tia puonjo latin ing'e cham nacho mere gi pur nyo wachaw achiel nyo ariyo mi di ching ka pur konyo tie inino meno ka chaw achiel nyo cha ariyo otieko romo lacho bolo kweri igoke chiro ka puro what is kongo ento ka pur kongo peke en chiro pajo what does that mean is it konyo pur kongo KONGO what does that mean Chik kwaro pe acholi twero no chik kwaro pa acholi okwero ni latina wobi moke ken matie gi moga pa wiye ang'wen ochiro kwede malo gin miero pe tugi idi liet latina wobi matie gi moga pa wiye ang'wen duchu wadongo ni gin tie gi ot John Megi what does that mean ento miero bene wan yang maber ni iloba chuli od John pe obedo gin gipa awuobe keken choma dongo bene inongo tie gi od John dok bene igang man ka tie iye awuobi madongo ariyo nyo adek ng'ara achiel miero oge ot John mere ento ikare mokene lutin awuobe gero otogo achiel ma gin duju buru iye lutin awuobe acholi ma ogele omaro chot totwal man bene wacho bodwa ni ka ikin lutino megi tie awuobe ma anyaka mere bino kachot en wacho bodgi chi gin chiro bore no wacho bodgi chi gin chiro buto i ot pa lawadgi idi kal acholi naka jui tie aye ot buru ot tedo ot buru pa nyira John pa awuobe John pa wuon gang gi goro diel so they built a separate house or hut or something. For the boys, once they become teenagers and they mature by age 14, they're of the right age to date, need, I guess. So Gibero, like it's like a boys' headquarters, something like a boys' room. Gibero, yeah, and their parents stay in another house, and then there's a separate one for animals. So when the boy has a girlfriend, I guess they go in his house or their friend's house or the neighbor's house or something like that. I don't know. That's what I'm understanding. What do you guys think? Okay, one big paragraph and then I chill Kenya, okay? No, but when about take chapter now, I'll be taking one day. It's kind of long for me. Okay. Kidma wangyo kwere Leb Acholi or Otogo. What does that mean? Otogo. Okay. Or Otogo dano pe gero ingom ento gin gero I wilak akara ma okwinyo ingom angwen bo pa akara megiki ingom tie furi angwen. Dano omaro gero ot Otogo malo ilakyat pien wegi wo le tim chalo atunya gi kirikiri. What is kirikiri? Peo chamgin. Dano wacho ni imokaman bene kirikiri omaro ngwinyo wang dano gidi wo mada. What is kirikiri? Ni kirikiri ngwinyo wang dano gidi wo. So get on. What is kirikiri? You guys leave a comment. Okay. Ki otieno makare oromo minino. Dano donyo oro tugo gi la la it ka dano duju otigo donyo I ot otogo ng'at ma odong' chien miro oywa la it wako malo. So la it is like a ladder. So the house is built up on top of tree trunks, right? And they use a ladder to get up there. So once they get up there, they have to drop the ladder so animals cannot kitty and those kind of animals cannot climb up there. Okay. Gintimo kidman pien wek le nyo lamone peo iri kwede malo. Dok ot otuko nakajwitie adunu chalo dok agulu. Mura ento agulu mura. Dok agulu mura. Ento rumu ramo donyo mi wich. Ramo donyo mi wich gi ko. It's hard. Donyo I ot otoko peyot. Inka imiro donyo mokwongo miero kong iro wi kalachin iro kori kamia giri ni iro pieri gitieni. Lotina wuobe achuli mapol omaro weko dok ot mi luit palatin anyaka dok ot man nakajwitie piny ite ot otoko pien I kara mukene kalatin anyaka bino kachot omegi mer omegi pa anyaga tie ka yabo dog ot otoko. En bene yabo dog ot ma piny ci latin anyaga karo gi iye. Wanyang bene ni omegi pa anyaga ng'eyo maber ni dog ot otoko mukene tye gi piny ci ladit mo pe wajo bora pingo lutino megi pe kuro dog ot atoko ma piny. Gin mia aryo ma pe aniang maber I lok man wacoyo malo kany ni ngat ma odongo cin en ywayo lait mi ot otoko woko malo wek lee nyo dano pe ociri malo. Lodiro wacho bora ni omegi pa anyaka naka jwi ciro malo ka gin ging'eyo di ot atoko ento gin nongo ni lamin gi peke kenyo. I'm confused. I'm not sure how the girls are getting up there ko kwanya la it now. Omin ging'eyo ni ning konu gitie kuja wala gipe kuja gi iro ni ning gineno ni ning ne gipe gama wobi mo malo biotoko ne kuja. Drop your comments. So that's how anyirge wobi gi use kwala nunga wobi gi bere ni kiro ot atoko e mati wa malo ni nung la iro kwanya ho ngama bene pe matwere chiro malo kuja nyole. So anyira ni gidonje pinyi ni gi ogeni ni lokana gini ni omego tugi nungo gen kuja ni. Drop your comments. So diga chama gi jolo dano purpuro Latino teach koi wa all for even about one. So I got a couple of pages to go. Me a dig chapter 3. What do you guys think? Drop your comments. Okay. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chaka Leb Acholi, and segment enemy Kwan Leb Acholi T within this channel. And then on Facebook, what even in Chaka Leb Acholi, you can follow the page, like the page, share, comment, and join us as guests. You can also follow my sister Alice O'Clock. She's on Facebook, and I'm on Facebook as South Sudan. Join us again tomorrow. And if you want to be a guest or even talk to me live on YouTube about some of the stuff I've been reading, or if you have any comments about Acholi culture, take one on your left or reading, please drop a DM or a comment, okay? Apwoyo my tech. Have a good night, good evening, good morning. Bye.